and Saigon. Them no man a idol.
Yeah.
Yo mountain, yo bailan. Shell along the place like Ivan. Them want my position.
I saw him about bad people. That's what he said he's gonna make it one day, people. He's gonna shell down the place like Ivan. Hurricane Ivan. Hurricane really Ivan bad. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Ooh, boss, I'm back in with another video for you guys. Right now, we're back in Grenada. You understand me? Shout out to everybody from Grenada. Shout out to all of the Grenadian viewers. If you're from Grenada and you're watching this video right now, drop the flag down below in the comment section right now. Tear up the like button so the video recommends to more people. You understand me? This song is called One Day. Artist called Suppy. You understand me? I don't want to spoil the name. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Yeah, I know I'm not good with names already. You understand me? Anyways, so let's see what's going on for this video, guys. Like out the video, you know the routine. Comment on this video to see your comment next video that I post. You know, post every single day on the channel, numerous times for y'all. Alright? This was popping right now. I don't know what to expect, people. You see me? I say, Noah X Productions. Alright. Red tune. Yeah.
Noah X team to the world.
Big up
Yo,
X
TPC.
team.
I will make it one day, far away.
Yo, Noah
Can't be weak. Ghetto youth stay focused on your mission.
Yeah.
One time we didn't got television. No me strong and me make my own decision.
Alright, well, I pause. I will pull up set speed. Right now, people see we get a positive music. The vibes change. Everything just changed a while ago. You see me? I say the atmosphere change. Spread this positivity right now, people. You see me? I say get the youths. Are we the one for run tune? You done with chap go. Big up everybody out there.
Noah X team to the world. Yo,
Big up X team.
TPC. I will make it one day.
6 1 day. All sides and get Alright.
Ghetto youth stay focused on your mission.
Yeah.
One time we didn't got television. No me strong and me make my own decision. Eyes clear, mind strong, don't see division.
Boom.
Long time and I sit down and wait. Them want take me life, but me no life great. Them boy, them must have in your face. Them want everything, them don't want you away. I will.
Remember, people, once we can relate to a song, the song will hit you more. You're gonna feel the song more, people. That's so one time I used to have television. Remember that. Me, I never used to have a television. Red tune.
Division. Long time and I sit down and wait. Them want take me life, but me no life great. Them boy, them must have in your face. Them want everything, them don't want you away. I will make it one day. To the world far away.
Shit.
In these streets, can't be weak. Ain't no road with no pain.
You can't be weak, people. Motivate on yourself. Get used to what everybody that get to motivate on yourself. You get all tight. You see me? I say, emancipate on yourself, dog. What am I gonna start? But listen, dog. Push to yourself. Don't tell yourself you can't do it. Listen to the message I'm send to you. Go on. I'll make it one day.
Big up Grip Street and Saigon. Them no man a idol.
Yeah.
Yo mountain, yo bailan. Shell along the place like Ivan. Them want my position.
I saw him about bad people. That's what he said he's gonna make it one day, people. He's gonna shell down the place like Ivan. Hurricane Ivan. Hurricane really Ivan, bad, you know, Ivan shell on the place, you know. Yeah, go on.
And from dog never fail upon the mission. Man a bun the politician. Lies them a teach man. Seed clay long time. Them want put division. Them boy them a heavyweight. Don't want see the ghetto youths a elevate. All them want to do is just a captivate. Yeah. Kill all the youths and a celebration. I will make
John was tired. John, yo, you know what? It's like a talk for itself. Me now have to pause every minute and tell you what I say. The rest of me kind of easier for the pausing now. That I'm just there for all the vibes, you know. You see me, I say. I just want to make sure something there and all the vibes, you know. More to like that video, and so everybody get to see that video, and more people in the world get to see that video. So like the video and subscribe to the channel. Spam the comment section, make a video get recommended to more people. You understand me, I say. Him say, I'm going to make it big one day, and I'm going to take it to the world. You see me, I say, I'm going to see me everywhere. Me say, I'm going to make it big. I'm going to take it to the whole Caribbean. Alright, now you come out different Caribbean island represent for. What am I say to you now? I lie my tell? Me did I lie to him tell him I'm going to take over the whole Caribbean? It's still working. Reaction boss growing. Run through though.
Make it one day to the world far away. In these streets, can't be weak. Ain't no road with no pain. Big up Rip Street and Saigon. Them no man a idol. Yo mountain, yo bailan. Chill on the place like Ivan. Get to youth, stay focused on your mission. One time we didn't got television. No me strong and me make my own decision. Ice clear, mind shine.
Well, what for pre-rest ball game, you know? Ball game, is it mess rest go like you want salad by a boy. Rest go like you want salad by a boy.
Get to youth, stay focused on your mission. One time we didn't got.
What I pass by boy now? Jamaican shots, people. Hold on. No man, they make rest.
Chill on the place like Ivan. Get to youth.
Who wants to see this? Who wants to see your rest with the boy, people? Hold on. We should run back in there and try to make you catch back the flow, right? But go on. Rest with the ball. Control. Watch rest, people. Run there with it. Ring. Whoa, Buckley. Hey, if that did ever walk, if that did ever go through your foot, if you never get a salad there, you will have to eat in a week. Big up yourself, Ras. I don't know a chap go. But go on.
We didn't got television. No pain. Big up Rip Street and Saigon. Them no man a idol. Yo mountain, yo bailan. Chill on the place like Ivan. Get to youth, stay focused on your mission. One time we didn't got television. No me strong and me make my own decision. Ice clear, mind strong, don't see division. Long time and I sit down and wait. Them want take me life, but me no life great. Them boy, them must have in your face. Them want everything, them don't want you have weight. I will make it one day to the world far away. In these streets, can't be weak. Ain't no road we can't be weak. Big up Rip Street and Saigon. Them no man a idol. Yo mountain, yo bailan. Chill on the place like I will make it one day to the world far away. In these streets, can't be weak. Ain't no road with no pain.
Big Bumbuckle Bell song. Big Bumbuckle Bell song. Right now, Mr. A BFI emoji for them in the comment section right now. BFI emoji for in the comment section right now. You know if you have screenshot or screen record and tag on your pass on Instagram for that video. You see me I say, promote the artist and get the man out there, people. You see me I say, my name Suppy from Grenada. Positive music where I say. Anybody in the world can relate to that song, not just people from Grenada. Positivity. I want to hold on and take a message from my song, people. Tell themselves they're going to make it one day. To the world. Far out. Go on.
Rip Street and Saigon. Them no man a idol. Yo mountain, yo bailan. Chill on the place like Ivan.
Big up your bumbuck, bless you. Follow them people on Instagram same time. You know what I say? Big up. Instagram, Suppy X Team. Go follow him. Go follow him on Instagram right now. Follow Noah X Productions on Instagram. To big up yourself as usual, Noah X. I don't know some mess. You know what people, right now, anytime you want a Grenadian song for react to me, just search up Noah X. Come subscribe to Noah X. Go up on the channel. And that me see I go on right there. So I'm just choose the first one. You see me I say? So I'm gonna big up to everybody from Grenada. You see me? We kind of mix up Grenada and Guyana through a 2G. I apologize strongly if I did that in the video, you understand? I didn't mean to do it. It's just like, I do so much videos, you understand? It happens. But big up on yourself. Thanks for the support. Really, really appreciate it. I'll see you on another video. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But then we'll post every single day. Numerous times for the day. Thank you for love and support. Peace out.